So in this video we will see how we can create a workspace in Remix Ethereum ID. When you open a Remix ID for the first time, you will see the default workspace here. So you can create a new workspace here. Just click on default workspace, click on create a new workspace, then choose the template. You can choose different templates. We will going to use a default template. Then we will write our workspace name is Remix ID demo. You can also initialize workspace as a new Git repository. Thus, we are not using this option right now. Just create OK, press OK, and it creates a new workspace. Here it is. So we have created a Remix ID demo workspace. So it have also all the default script because we have created it with the default option. We can create a new by just using a blank option, Remix ID demo dash blank. There it is. We have created it. There is no folder, no files in it. So that's how we can create a workspace in Remix ID.